So any practice sadhana we do, it has ultimately at the end the accomplishment stage. So I think every practice, different layers or different levels, but somehow there is always shamatha and vipassana, shine and laktong, development and accomplishment stage. Development and completion stage. So the sadhana practice, we do all these visualizations, deities, whatever, the mantra garlands and all this. At the end, everything dissolved. And then rest into the nature of mind. So I think there's always, at the end of any sadhana, any practice, resting in natural mind. So I don't think it really contradicts